Good morning. This is Sarah, your socially awkward seller, and I slept in. Let me tell you, I woke up about 4 something, to go to the bathroom, because that's what we do. And I went down to hang out on the couch for a little bit, and because sometimes I'll sleep in the recliner. And I fell back to sleep there and woke up at 9:15. What is going on? I guess that those baking fails, nailed it, were exhausting. So anyway, I want to show you my sales, my sales. I got some sales, and let me pull them up so I even know how much I got. All right, so I took a best offer yesterday on some flatware. This is 4 spoons in the Oneida Bristol pattern, and I sold these for $16 plus shipping. I think I've sold this once before, and then it was either a non-pay or a return. I think it was a non-pay. It's a bracket for a 30-inch ceiling fan that I parted out. The ceiling fan I bought some time back that had ladybugs on it, and so I have been parting that out and making a little bit of money. This sold for $9.19. Not anything to write home about, as I might say, but I don't write my mom anyway. So, this is a Black & Decker Space Maker can opener, and it's really for parts, and that's how I sold it, because it's really kind of grungy and rusty, and there's no bracket. So, I sold this for $21.15. I sold this Beauty Counter hydrating body lotion. This is sealed, and I sold this took a best offer of $14 on that. I went ahead and let this Jetsons ornament go. I had it priced at like $27.99 or something crazy like that, which I knew was overpriced. I always kind of go high, and that way I can offer like 20 and 30% offers. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but it just works for me, and that's the way I like to do it. So I took a best offer of $12 for this, so I wouldn't have it for maybe the next year, since we're getting so close to the end of the season. After going back and forth with a buyer about the price of this flatware, I let this go for $32. This is a set of, I believe, like 46 pieces of Studio Nova flatware. It's going to Canada, and $32 for that. I had it priced around $50. And then, let's see, is this the final thing? I think it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. This is a Yakima big powder. It's a ski, I believe a ski rack. You'd think I'd know, but it's been so long since I've even messed with it. And it's a ski rack. I bought this for like $7, but I've had it for a while, quite a while. It's a ski and snowboard roof carrier, and I sold this for $55.19. And I've got a Frankenbox something for this to fit in, because it's quite long. If I thought they weren't going to give it for a gift, I would ship it the way it is, because it's quite secure, but I don't know what they're going to do with it. So, anyway. I am going to try and do some baking today. I'm going to try and do a little bit of listing today, and I'm going to maybe do a little shopping, because tomorrow's Saturday, and I don't like to shop on Saturday. I will, but I don't like it. So anyway, that's what I've got right now. I'm going to get working on this, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys in a little bit, and let's see if I bought anything. Alrighty, it is the end of the day, and I thought I would show you all of the things that I bought today and all of the work that I got done. So here's all of the things that I bought today. here's all of the work that I got done. Nothing. Just didn't turn into that kind of day. I did go shopping. I went to a Volunteers of America. Just wasn't anything there. So, you know, what are you going to do? I didn't do any work today. I ran a couple of errands. I'm always running errands. I think the thing is, I feel like if I'm out of the house, I can justify that and not have to work because I am lazy. But, anyway, I am going to sit here and list for a little while tonight until it's about time to make the hubs some hot mint tea. And then we'll probably watch some TV until we go to bed. He's going to be gone all day tomorrow, so I will be working and trying to get some things listed because we are getting close to crunch time at this point. It's weird that the things that I am selling, and I did have a few sales on a couple of different platforms today, but not anything earth-shattering. It's interesting the things that are getting purchased. I mean, they're not gifts for sure, but people are buying, and I'll take that. You know, they've got just expendable money right now, disposable money. It sounds so final right now. So whatever they want to spend it on, that's fine with me. So anyway. Not much of in the way of activity today, but you know, it is what it is. Not every day can be as productive as you want it to be. Yeah. So, no rant lady tonight. I need to come up with a good rant, and hopefully she will join us again soon. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'm doing. I just keep going, but I'm not saying anything, so it's time to go. Just remember that the dream works when you do, so keep dreaming and keep working, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.